From the moment you arrive, a graceful circular drive and classic white brick facade set a tone of quiet luxury. Step inside the gated entrance and discover a wide foyer that draws you toward the heart of the home. A spacious living room filled with natural light and breathtaking views of the water just beyond. Throughout the main living spaces, beautiful LVP flooring underfoot sets a welcoming tone. The beautifully updated kitchen, complete with designer finishes, quartz composite countertops, and a sunny breakfast area, guarantees spectacular views every day. A sunlit breakfast nook offers the perfect spot to start each day surrounded by nature's beauty. A see-through, gas-burning fireplace brings warmth and a sense of connection. The formal dining room offers plenty of room for family holiday gatherings. The home offers 4 bedrooms, including this versatile room that can easily serve as a private office or 4th bedroom. The grand primary suite is a sanctuary in itself, generously sized with sweeping water views. An ensuite bath designed for relaxation, featuring double vanities and a walk-in shower. And a marble soaking tub that invites you to unwind. Whether you're entertaining friends or savoring quiet moments alone, this backyard is designed for unforgettable gatherings. Step outside and the sense of sanctuary only deepens, beginning with this fenced in-ground pool that provides a private oasis for cooling off on hot summer days. Large trees, a charming gazebo, and a beautifully maintained backyard leads to an approximately 200 pier covered dock with floating dock and boarding ramp. To store your toys, the attached 2-car garage opens to an additional detached 1-car garage ready to become the ultimate workshop, boathouse, or man cave. This is a creative escape with ample space and plumbing for future plans. A long pier leads from the backyard to a covered dock and floating ramp. With 3 feet of water at low tide, the home has easy access to tidal creeks and the Vernon River. Spend your days boating, fishing, shrimping, crabbing, or simply soaking in the light. Experience the serenity, luxury, and effortless lifestyle of 8811 Whitefield Avenue. This home blends the peace of a riverside retreat with the convenience of city living. Situated just minutes from shopping, dining, and the vibrant heart of downtown Savannah, where coming home feels like a privilege every single day. There is so much more to explore than can be captured in a 3-minute video. So if you can imagine your life unfolding in a place like this, we invite you to schedule a private tour